Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. I am back in Fukuoka for another walking video. Today I am going to be a little outside of the main tourist area of Tenjin and going to the western part of the city where it is hopefully a little bit quieter, but I'm going to be enjoying a fun morning walk. The plan today is to take the green subway line, the Nanakuma line, all the way to the last station of Hashimoto, get off there and to walk along the Muromi River, hopefully catching up with the orange airport line and taking that back. So I am looking forward to showing you what it's like. I've never done this walk before and I am trying out this new action camera, so putting it to the test, seeing how it works. Also, I am wearing my originally designed Fukuoka shirt, so we are repping full Fukuoka pride today on this adventure. So without further ado, let's go and walk Fukuoka. So today it is early May, and it is the perfect temperature right now to be enjoying outside. It is warm, but not yet the rainy season, which will be coming in June. So really soaking up this amazing weather here. And we are going to be entering this subway, the green Nanakuma line. We have made it to the last station, Hashimoto. So we have just arrived at Hashimoto Station. We're right now at exit number 2 and we're trying to get to the water area near this Muromi River. So going to have to cross a few streets to get there. Welcome to Hashimoto! The end of the Nanakuma subway line, and it looks like we just got out next to a big outlet mall or shopping mall. Lots of stores, and we thought it smelled like chicken, and rightfully so. There is a KFC across the street. And what's nice too is right away we can see some nice mountains here in front of us and also to the side. Some bright, beautiful mountains here now that we're out of the super center of the city. Right now, gas is 156 yen per liter for regular. I'm sure it has gone up. Actually, this sign says regular is 161. So I don't fill up on gas a lot here, but I would assume that it is a little bit more expensive than usual. And after this, we have hit a kaiten sushi or conveyor belt sushi place. This looks fun. Conveyor belt sushi is always a good time. And here it says one plate starts from 120 yen. So Genkai Maru conveyor belt sushi right by Hashimoto Station. We found a little path that leads down to the walking route that is right by the water. Here we go. It is a lovely day here today. We have bright blue skies and now we're walking by the Muromi River. The sound of the water right next to us and all of this lush greenery inside makes me really happy today. So I'm glad we have come out here to do a little stroll and check out this Nishi and Sawara area, which I don't come to as much even though I live in the city. Across the way, we have this line of trees. I'm pretty sure these are cherry blossom trees across the water, making this a super beautiful and popular place for locals to come and visit during the cherry blossom season. Great picnic under the leaves and blossoms. So this has been a nice walk along this path by the Muromi River. It's been quite a nature walk with a lot of different reeds and plants and flowers, so enjoyed taking some photos of that. Now it is about 11 o'clock, so going to take a little detour to get some food at a cafe nearby. So we are going to head off of this walking path up the road here to hopefully go find a little cafe spot for a bite to eat. On this little back path now, not much in this area that we can see. A lone bike and some empty fields. And we've happened across a little shrine. This is the Fukushige Waka Hachimangu shrine. In Japan, I feel like you will always have a high chance of just running into a shrine, no matter where you go. I swear there is a cafe somewhere here. But right now, all we see is a car wash and dry rice fields. I did not know how popular car washes are, but on this Saturday morning, everyone is here getting their car washed. And we have made it to the cafe. It's called the Kamakura Nishi Fukuoka shop. Hopefully it's open, but just a short walk away from the river we were at. This cafe is in an old building, but it is quite spacious, has really tall ceilings, and is a great find in this little area. So we are at this cafe here. They have quite a bit of different lunch sets, some fried foods, they have a local moku rice, they even have, let's see, some of these grilled fish and pork, and there's also dessert courses and drinks, desserts like this. So we are going to enjoy a nice morning brunch. Here is one of the lunch sets. It comes with a nice big fried shrimp, some hambagu, which is sauced meat, and we've got some veggies, rice, miso soup, and salad. And here is the second dish. This is hand-wrapped cheese chicken katsu along with the same miso, rice, and veggies. Itadakimasu! So we finished our meal at the cafe. I got a chicken katsu rolled in cheese. It was interesting. I think I would have liked just katsu itself better, but filled the gap in my stomach. Now we are back walking along, continuing our journey on this fine Saturday morning. Can you guess what is across the street from us? This is a rice washing station where you can pay to have a machine polish your rice down to a certain amount. So people will bring their rice there, get it polished, and then bring it back home. Looky look, we have made it back to the water. Now we just need to figure out how to get onto the path, but we're headed in the same direction that we were before, back to the main water source of this Muromi River. No. Woohoo! We found the stairs and we are back by the water. I spy something very exciting in the distance. Can you see it? That tower is Fukuoka Tower. The same tower that's on my shirt. Woo! Still walking along the river, and we have seen some fish in the waters, both small schools of fish as well as some larger ones. Also, we have some ducks. I got a nice duck photo of some ducks that let me get a little close to them. Probably the best duck photos I've taken in my life. But we are continuing this beautiful stroll, making our way towards the bay. And there have been lots and lots of airplanes in the sky. Fukuoka has an airport that is really close to the city center, so when you are in and around the city, you can be sure to see lots of airplanes in the sky. And right here came to a spot by the bank where there's this large deposit of seaweed, bright green, just popping out of the water. But I can smell it too. Very seaweedy. And as we enter this pink path, we see there is a bridge ahead of us. This is a bridge that we will be crossing to get to the other side. But we will be crossing the bridge, and on the other side we will get to Muromi Station, which is part of the Orange Airport subway line, which has been our goal of this trip. So we had quite a lovely little walk, a little bit of food in between, and now we are ending soon this video along the Muromi River. And the watch just buzzed that we are at 3 miles. So this is a good little stroll that you can definitely do if you're looking to get away from the crowds but still stay close to the city center and enjoy a little bit of the quieter nature that is in the city. Ahead of us we have a strange sight. If you can see it, it is this gorilla hanging onto the building, and it is wearing a bikini and has a hibiscus flower in its hair. Not sure why, but at this gorilla is where we will turn right. This is the view as we walk across the bridge. A fantastic view. Today we have all of the mountains in the background with such a beautiful blue sky, and then the water from the river lighting it up beneath. And then on the other side here, our Fukuoka Tower has come back into view. And alas, we have made it to Muromi Station. You can see the orange mark on the top, meaning this is part of the Fukuoka Airport line, so the other subway line here in Fukuoka, but it is going to take us back to the Tenjin area where we will end this trip. I hope you enjoyed coming with me on this little walk. It was so fun to just be able to take some time and explore more of the city, places that I hadn't been before. And of course, if you are also interested in checking out some of the original design Fukuoka merchandise I have, check out the shop link in the description below. I'll see you in the next video.